Dear learners, the objective of this video are what are various types of marketing tool and what are best new digital marketing tools and techniques. Dear learners, companies they use marketing tools to create and promote their goods and services. The term tools refer to methods, tactics and materials in this context. Data collection and analysis, customer behavior, supply and demand, and other technical aspects of marketing theory and execution all are studied by marketing experts. Small business owners who do not have this experience will also benefit from the best practices of this discipline by using simple methods and strategies to organize marketing campaigns before executing them. Examine your goods, cost, brands, and distribution to improve your advertisement, public relations, and promotions, all of which will help you grow your company. The 4 P's. Students in marketing they learn about the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion, and apply what they have learned during their career. This method of assessing the selling plan necessitates the following steps. Examine your product to see whether it meets market demand. Assess your price to see if increasing it will impact sales. Develop a brand that clearly places you in consumers' mind and consider whether your marketing location endorse your brand and optimize your revenue opportunities. Selling a high-end item in a big box store, for example, may be detrimental to your brand. Raising your price might increase sales because customers perceive that it must be superior to the competition. Bringing a group of customers together to have an open and truthful conversation about your product or service. Pricing, positioning, and sale location offer priceless information. During a focus group, ask simple yes or no and multiple choice questions as well as open-ended questions that allow your customers to volunteer details you haven't considered. Inquire about why they purchase your goods, what they think of your rivals, and what you can do to encourage them to purchase more frequently. Hold 1 or 2 casual meetings with 6 to 8 clients and thank them for their time and refreshments and a gift. Surveys are particularly useful for collecting information that can help you better understand your clients and the industry. During phone surveys performed by your team, ask open-ended questions or use online surveys that collect short answers, multiple choice, and true-false responses. SurveyMonkey, for example, allows you to build and use free online surveys that deliver data to your desktop. Use the same questions to survey all of the participants regardless of which tool you use, so you can spot pattern and get clear feedback. Repetition. Consumers really interrupt what they are doing to purchase your product as a result of ads. Repetition leads to profits, which is a central tenet of effective advertisement. Consumers shop when they have a need or an impulse, or your ad should try to stay in their mind so that when they are ready to buy, you are the first thing that comes to mind. Spend money on promotional campaigns so that people see the ad at least 3 times. It would be easier to advertise 3 times in 2 magazines rather than once in 6 separate magazines. You can reach more people through advertising in 6 magazines, but each one will have a smaller effect. Branding. Consumer demand and loyalty are increased when business develop a brand or logo in marketplace. A brand communicates to customers that your product provides a specific benefit such as quality, affordability, status, or other intrinsic value. Some shoe companies only manufacture women's shoes in order to show women that they are expert in the female footwear category. Similar thing can happen in tourism. Some business price their goods higher than the market average in order to portray a feeling of superiority. It happens in hospitality sector. If your employees or consumers can't tell you what your brand is, you haven't adequately placed yourself in your business. Social networking. Customers will advertise your goods and services on social media by recommending them to their mates. Make Facebook like buttons available on your website pages so that visitors can quickly share them with their friends. Build a Facebook business page instead of a personal page for a more efficient marketing tool. This is the need of Web 2.0. Business pages help to you to keep track of additional details about your customers and website. You can use Twitter to send daily messages to customers and to reply quickly to major events. To increase revenue, the vast majority of companies they use a variety of marketing strategies, including ads, direct mails, and market research. Companies they have access to a variety of marketing resources. Others are designed to increase revenue, whereas others are designed to collect consumer data. It is critical to understand which resources are best for your business. To put it another way, you need to know what tools you will need to accomplish your primary goals and objectives. The majority of the time, people use many marketing strategies at same time. To communicate company knowledge, attract consumer interest, and inspire action, businesses they use a variety of marketing strategies. To engage consumers and grow business, an integrated marketing strategy employs a variety of tactics. Dear learners, let's have a look on various types of marketing tools. The following are several marketing tools along with an overview of what they are and why they are used by companies. Advertisement in classifieds. Classified advertisements are also known as classified advertising, are effective at producing leads. The phrase leads applies to potential customer in this sense. People can be directed to a particular website or web page. The term can be one or two words, for example, web page. They can also draw in people who are looking for more details. With the Google Keywords Planner, you can find out which keyword would be the most successful. This tool will show you how often you intended keywords are searched, as well as if the amount of searches changes over time, like maybe pumpkin spice becoming a rage during autumn. The more like this feature help you find associated keywords, then can help you enrich your content. Social media. Social networking is a marketing tool used to build an engaging online partnership with customers in the world of internet marketing. Your goal is not to steal customer information. For example, common social media marketing tools they include blogging, writing, sharing, and tweeting. On social media website, media sharing, pinning, bookmarking, and commenting are also common. The word digital marketing refers to marketing that takes place exclusively online. Internet marketing includes things like search engine optimization and web ads. You can improve your SEO in a number of ways. One of the first steps is to secure a reliable and simple domain name that is relevant to your site, industry, or keywords you want to match for. Search engine optimization refers to techniques to increase one's website appearance on search engines. Surveys. Surveys may be used to decide which product to develop as well as to enhance or update existing products. In this sense, the term goods refer to things. Surveys are also useful for evaluating your own and your competitors' products. A survey can be used to ask a representative group of customers what they like about your product or those of your rivals. You may conduct a survey in person, over the phone, through regular mail, or online. When asked to name their most valuable marketing tool, most marketing professionals would mention surveys. Google Analytics. Since Google is still at the core of a brand's digital marketing strategy, this is self-explanatory. It is free and provides you with valuable information about your website, such as how many visitors it receives, the pages perform well, from which geographical location the visitors originate, and what are the most common keywords for which it receives visitors. Google Analytics is incredibly useful if you have an online business or if your organization has a website. It provides you with an overview of your visitors' background. It also tells you what kind of visitors you have and which content on your site is the most popular. Google Analytics can also be used to calculate visitor conversations. This information will assist you in establishing conversation targets. Organic CTR, click-through rate, is a way to increase your website traffic using Google Analytics. Using A/B testing, you can refine page titles and describes and see how they do. Direct mail, sending greetings or promotional emails to your customer, is referred to as direct mail. You'll use this to give your customers brochures, postcards, sale letters, catalogs, and other marketing materials. If you want to use it as a marketing tool, don't spam your clients with and stay away from hard sell tactics. You should keep them informed about new items, prices, discounts, or invite them to your shop on your website so that they return to your site and receive valuable information, maybe by email. For advertiser, this is the one of the most important marketing method. Direct mail, also known as direct mail marketing, is a form of marketing that directly targets potential customers. Traditionally, the letters have been referred to as mail shots. We had email shots since the advent of the internet and email. Designing an email shot varies from developing a website or designing for print because you have to understand the unique need of your target audience as well as the technological specification of various email applications, says Media Training Limited.uk. This leads us to modern email marketing tool, which many marketers believe are even more successful than other forms of digital marketing. Media monitoring tools. These marketing tools score the internet for relevant conversation about your business, product, or brand. Social networking site, forums, blogs, and videos, for example, all are searched by these tools. Media monitoring let you discover what people are talking about you online so you can jump in and reply or react to the discussions. This way you can decrease the spread of negative PR and even help increase knowledge of your product, service, or organizations. It is even also written by Matthew Collis, a marketing and communication professional, in a Huffington Post article. Customer loyalty programs. The probability that current customer will return is referred to as customer loyalty. To put it another way, how much do consumers come back for more? It is not the same as brand loyalty. Customer loyalty programs are one of the most popular marketing strategies that many small businesses ignore. It is a we can say it's a not that exactly very like you can leave it. Having a current customer to purchase your goods in much cheaper and take much less time than getting new customers. According to some reports, it costs even 7 times more to attract a new customer than it does to maintain a current one. And that's a big fact. Automation. Marketing automation systems are time-saving marketing tools, and even marketer can save time by automating repetitive activities such as moving files and emails to spreadsheets. You can make Apple chains with some tools and simply put conditional statements or if this then that statements. One of these resources is IFTTT. If this then that. Facebook, Twitter, Fitbit, Google Drive, and Gmail are all supported. There are a plethora of marketing resources available. When you read about them, they all sound amazing. All of them are amazing. However, exercise caution, only a few of them will be needed selectively. The 5 best new digital marketing tools and techniques. Dear learners, it is hard to overstate the importance of digital marketing to your company's success in today's weird world. Powerful, successful businesses are carving out virtual space to respond to customer establish relationship with market leaders and tell their brand story in an innovative, authentic, and visually appealing way. In real time, digital marketing provides an invaluable opportunity to determine which facets of the plans are working or booming. Simply, new digital marketing strategy enable any organization, whether a 4-person startup or multinational corporation, to make an online impact. With that in mind, here are 5 new marketing tools and techniques that will help you get started. One is content marketing technique. Content marketing is simply storytelling your brand and is one of the most commonly used buzzword in digital marketing. Content may be something that conveys a simple meaning, such as a collection of eye-catching images, videos, blog posts, or news stories. Content marketing varies from conventional marketing methods in that it lacks overt call to action or solely product or service based advertisements, and sophisticated customers have established a nose for finding quality content among glitzy advertisement. Good material, like a good story, is exclusive, dynamic, and shareable. True successful content marketing utilizes an approachable voice to tell truthful stories that win the consumer's confidence and create a positive brand image. In addition, content marketing is inherently adaptable. Consider how you can reframe your story or message to appeal to various types of customers with whom you do not have a natural one-to-one relationship. Tools like Outbrain Amplify will help you spread your content to a wider audience once it's live. Regardless of how good your content is, if it is not widely distributed, it won't be successful. Second, tools for social networking. You're probably already using social media to communicate with your customers. Even if you are not, what are you waiting for? One of the most effective marketing tools for humanizing the brand and communicating with consumers in real time is social media. All social media forms relevant to your company, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, Pinterest, and Instagram, are included in a good digital marketing strategy. These tools serve various purposes. Twitter has developed into a virtual telephone, allowing consumers to lodge grievances or ask questions, while image based social media such as Instagram and Pinterest are excellent outlets for visual storytelling and virality. It's also important to keep up with emerging developments such as LinkedIn's recent influencers initiatives, which promotes businesses insiders as thought leaders and provides a platform for them to share with expertise. Go mobile. More and more of us are using mobile devices to access information. Having a responsive website for different mobile platforms, smartphone, tablets, and so on, gives the business a competitive advantage. Many marketers are now bringing connectivity to the next level using location data from customer check-in tools like Foursquare or Facebook, as well as data from AdWords and GPS to target marketing campaigns and create a more complete image of who your customer is, where she goes, where she wants, and what she wants it. Understanding the sense of your customer's preferences and actions is critical to tailoring your products to meet their specific needs. These mobility marketing techniques allow you to work outside of the in office vacuum. Retargeting or remarketing is one of the most intriguing modern marketing strategies. It monitors consumers through cookie placement and proceed to send them advertisement for items they have already seen through a network of websites. Retargeting is an easy, effective way to keep your brand and product in the minds of the potential consumers, and it takes little effort on the part of the company. Just 2% of the traffic converts on the first visit. Flexible marketers will remain on top of the trends and find ever more organic ways to increase brand awareness as retargeting technology improves. Fifth is community building. The need for brands to appeal to customers' desire to be viewed as individuals rather than number is a common thread in these best new digital marketing strategies. Consider WestJet's latest viral campaign, in which the airlines secretly fulfill passengers' Christmas wishes. WestJet accomplished the difficult task of giving an airline a warm and fuzzy personality while still demonstrating responsiveness with this campaign. Brands, they must demonstrate sincere interest into the personality of their diverse consumer base, and content must be viewed as a means of creating an authentic, like-minded culture. The physical community of a neighborhood commerce is giving way to more flexible and broader communities online. As we become more digitally driven, even brick and mortar businesses are now multinational players. Digital marketing helps you to extend your scope beyond your profession and into the wider world. Dear learners, if we try to sum up, we can say that marketing tools are constantly evolving, with new apps and platforms being released regularly to help improve your social marketing efforts. Not every tool is relevant. Not every tool provides you functionality you need. Keep a check on new updates and apps. Look at your social media strategy and consider the goals you have in place, as well as the channels you use and how you use them. This can help you narrow the list of tools to focus on those most likely to help you improve the customer experience and boost engagement. I'll give you one example. There are many stages of the web development. The stage 1 is web 1.0. Then one enterprise, they have created a website and the information was static there, although dynamic only from the sides of the owner. If owner wishes, then he changes the information, he updates the information. So it was the older time where the only communication was communicating about your product. Then comes the next stage of webs these, which is known as web 2.0, where the review of the customer, where the review of the whosoever is the consumer started playing a good role. The final information is getting a role of getting a result of the consumer interaction. TripAdvisor is one of the biggest example of this. In TripAdvisor, what people they are doing? They are posting reviews of different products. And finally, TripAdvisor, what they are doing? They are placing all the reviews there only. They verify them and they place there. So this way, information is being created by the consumers. Now Facebook, or very popularly known as WhatsApp University. Because in WhatsApp, what is there? The people, they share information with each other. The information is being generated by the consumer only. Now in times to come, the time will come of the Web 3.0. And what is that Web 3.0? Now we have a lot of, like, you may search anything on Amazon, you will find that there are a lot of, we can say, the reviews are there. But what does all reviews they tell you? Using the artificial intelligence to filter or to summarize the information which is being created by the customers. That will be the phase Web 3.0. And we have to target that particular thing. We have to target that particular time. Only then we can succeed. Thank you very much.